Your Excellency, I will not be writing anything shortly because I don't think Kenya is ready yet for me to put on record what I need to do. I think let me allow Professor Kindiki, the Attorney General, Papa Aroma, a few people to get, it's a gradual thing, to get Kenyans to get used to the truth. In another 2, 3, 4 years, when I assess, Your Excellency, with your guidance, that these Kenyans need to hear the story on the difficult journey of the ascendancy of President William Ruto to the presidency and the futile attempts to stop him. We'll record that when the time comes. And it will be interesting. And Kenyans need to know the truth. Your Excellency, what the Honorable Duale has done is a very big step in our attempts to bring to an end the politics of deceit, conmanship, and betrayal. Because conmen and betrayers fear being called out. So I think it's a good practice we start calling them out and giving an account of the intrigues around power. Your Excellency, I must admit today, because I'm a truthful man, that when Honorable Duale was sacked, I celebrated. I may look a mischievous person for celebrating the sacking of Duale, but I had a good reason. Your Excellency, Honorable Duale was in our team, but he was not available because he was in Parliament. He was in the National Assembly pushing the agenda of Jubilee and President Uhuru Kenyatta. So when he was sacked, I was very happy because he was now available for us in matters strategy and in matters messaging. And we took advantage. Kenyans hate betrayal. Kenyans hate people being treated unfairly. Kenyans knew the kind of work Aden Duale had done for the President, Kenyatta, and Jubilee, and were very unhappy the way he had been treated. So when we were going out with the President William Ruto, we would send vehicles to announce that in our entourage will be one Aden Duale. And Kenyans would turn up to listen to Aden Duale because they felt he had been treated unfairly. The same thing happened with Kithure Kindiki. When he was Deputy Speaker, he was not available to strategize for us. So when he was shown the door, the man was available 24/7. The same with Murkomen. So in a way, one of these days, when President Uhuru Kenyatta gets time and compassion to give me an audience, I'll thank him for chasing away these people. Because by doing so, he created a solid team that had a great resolve to succeed. Because the truth be said, if William Ruto had lost, it would have been very difficult for this team. If William Ruto had lost, in my scheme of things, and I know and I'm right, I will be serving the 5th month in committee now. All these people would not be here. So what happened because of the persecution? A very serious team evolved with a great resolve to succeed. And that is what contributed in a great way to propel President William Ruto to the presidency. Your Excellency, loyalty is what you have shown us. And what the Professor Kindiki has said is true. Honorable Aden Duale and most of us have little regard for money. Money is just legal tender. When you don't have money, it's because somebody else has. It leaves your hands, it goes to somebody else. Your Excellency had this team that worked around you, gave in to monetary offers. These people would be billionaires.